The combination of apple and black tea is the best. This is an oat cake recipe that you can easily make in the microwave. It's healthy and tasty, so perfect for your daily breakfast or snacks. Cut the apples into cubes or slices and heat them first. The heating time will vary depending on the size of the apples, but it will take about 1 to 2 minutes. Place the all ingredients together in a microwave-safe container and mix well. Lastly, you can add black tea leaves and cooked apple and gently mix. Top with the sliced apple. Put in the microwave 500 watt for 4 minutes. And done!